Howdy, y'all. So, I'm a fish dressed as a bunny with a duck going to do the chicken dance because I was dared by a monkey. Alright? We're here in the busiest part of town. Look, do a circle, show everybody. Cars, traffic. I'm going to walk to the corner of the street where it's a major intersection and do the chicken dance. I'll see you over there. Okay, I'm on my way to the corner and let's look crazy and silly in front of all these people who are already probably looking at me. Here we go.
I can't take you serious. You're such a willy.
Think anybody else is recording?
Yeah, I'll restart it.
This is a long red light.
It is.
You're still recording, right? Yeah. We're waiting on the other people to come by. Here they come. Ready? So, my own little personal perspective and talk. That's a lot of people who were just staring at me. Like a whole lot of people stuck at a red light just staring at me. And I was their only entertainment. So, that was fun and interesting. I wasn't expecting, a red light or to have to do it as long as I actually did, but I waited a whole traffic signal. Got you, monkey. You just wait. So, I did the dance, I did all the things. Monkey boy, what I need you to do is I need you to go somewhere and order food at a restaurant. Plank across something, just plank. Lay out flat plank until your food comes. And when they give you your food, or if the waiters or anybody else asks you what you're doing, I need you to look them serious as anything and be like, do you eat turkey or ham for Thanksgiving?